So hi guys, so I just have received my letter box, wow, from Louis Vuitton. So I'm going to do the unboxing to see how it looks. So let's start it. And just put it aside. Here we go. So that's in case we want to return the package, which is not my case because I have the personalized products. So I'm not gonna be able to send it back. Right, just open it. There you go. So it's written in Louis Vuitton inside. And just take this little box out. We have the package. And we have the bill, which is come in an envelope. Reading and the passport cover my LV World Tour. Actually, it came. This one I have ordered. This one just to make the collection with my keyboard bag, which graphite my LV World Tour also. So that's it. Well, that one is a reading letter, so you can write on it if it's for a gift. Right, let's just put it aside. Oh, I make a mess. Just hold on. Just moving it. That's out. Great. Alright, let's just start it. So, let's open it. Read the tag. Alright, it's just really stuck on it. Damn it. Sorry, oops. Not bad word in YouTube. Alright, got it. I got it. Right. Here we go. Ta-da. It's quite thick. Well, that's the standard box with small little things. That is all of the notice. Right. Then here it is. Let's open it. Suspend. So here we go. Ta-da! It's pretty nice. Wow, that's nice. Let me just put it on the side. I had drew that sticker, London, with an LV on that. But actually at the beginning I want this one on, which is Paris. But the LV, which now I want, not the same color as the Paris one. So that's why I got this one. But that actually the right one in the damier graphite is so nice, just so nice. And on the back, I have choose the Ansonia Paris Hotel and the Vuitton sticker. Let me get it into focus. It's quite bright. Right, it's pretty nice. And the inside, well, I have chosen the, well, that's the enduit queue de vachette. Right, well, that's the PVC, but inside it's the real vachette leather. It's too bright. How can I just bring out down a little bit? Right, so you can see it's actually a little bit thicker, the leather, than the previous model passport cover, and the corner right here is a V shape. Before it just goes straight like that. So I'm going to make my stamp on it just right here. So that you can see it's gonna be right here, I guess, or you can choose on the top or on bottom, I guess. When I'm going to take my keyboard bags, which is already done in the boutique, but I didn't have time to pick it up, not just yet. So there you go, the passport cover LV, my LV World Tour, which is pretty nice. Oh, I love it. Love it. The moutarde, the color, it's just so love it. Blue one, which is they call bleu electric inside. And you can find, as I guess, the serial number. Let's just take a look on that. It's gonna just be around, right. It's gonna be difficult to see. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just, it's pretty difficult. Let me just zoom it on. So it's just right here, you see? That's the serial number. Right there. Well, it's difficult to see, but... Right. There you go. The LV damier graphite. Personalized just for me. Well, I chose the sticker. Right. And I'm going to compare with my old version of passport cover. Just hold on. I got it just right here. There you go. Well, I had changed initial. Well, I thought it was nicer with JL, which is my name on, so I don't want to put 3 letters. It's just, I think it's just too much. So I let two letters much better. So that is the old one, which is personalized also. Just right, I haven't got the stamp on it like ages ago. I got it like for 2013, no, 2014 or 15. I don't remember exactly. It's around 3.5 years old. It still look pretty nice. Well, as I told you, the leather is much like, it's actually thicker. And oh, I didn't see that. So actually this one is flip out. Look at that. And this one it just stick on it. Right, and the red one, well, it's just stick on it. And in the new one, you have 4 credit card, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one, the other one only 3. And as I told you before, the newer Competent V cut and the other one just straight away. So that's it. So the leather, as you can see, I'm going to show you the leather on it. It's gonna be difficult to see. It's not easy with my phone. Right. I'm going to put it just right. It's pretty difficult. Right. You can see the leather, the cut of the leather just right here. And the other one, if you can see, but the leather is actually inside. They glue it up just inside, and it's much thinner. We can see it, like it's much thinner. And the new one, it's much thicker. Absolutely. Yeah, there you go, you can see it. And this one much thinner. So the same as the other side. So the other side, you can see through, like that. And that one is just stick inside. And it's much thinner. Look, you can take a look on that. Right, and this one is just like that for the new model. Right. So the old one versus the new one, and that is that. Oh, it's that. It's actually pretty nice. I love the red one with the blue. It's nice. So thank you for your attention. I'm going to do my the other unboxing with my LV keyboard, damier graphite, which is I'm going to the store next Monday. No, next Sunday, I guess. I'm going to next Sunday because after that I'm going to Vietnam for my holidays. So that's it. I'm going to post the video for the unboxing of keyboard later. Cheers!